Hello friends, today we study the state space representation for the physical variable. So for physical variable, firstly we assume the electrical circuit, so that is a RLC circuit. So this is the given example for RLC circuit. So for converting the physical variable or to get the physical variable in terms of state space equation, there is some criteria. So the number of state variable equal to the number of storage elements. So in electrical circuit, for the given example, one capacitor and one inductance is there. So the two storage element, for these two storage elements, so the number of state variable is equal to 2. Now, firstly, we have to get the differential equation. So, for RLC circuit using KVL, we get the equation L di by dt plus Ri plus Vc is equal to Vi. So, the voltage across all element. Now, we will consider the state variable x1 is equal to Vc and x2 is equal to I. Now, input variable is equal to di is equal to u. Now rearrange this differential equation. We will get di by dt is equal to this remaining term. Now we want the x1 dot also. So the di by dt means x2 dot. Now we want x1 dot. So to get the x1 dot, we know the current across the capacitor is C dV dt is equal to I. So what will be the x1 dot? X1 dot is equal to Vc dot. So Vc dot is equal to I upon C, and we represent the I by x2. So the x1 dot is equal to 1 upon C x2. Now for x2 dot is equal to I dot. So the derivative of the I. So derivative of the I is given by this equation. So minus L x2 plus 1 upon L x1 plus 1 upon Lu. Now in the state equation, we know the x1 dot and x2 dot is a one vector is equal to, we have to represent all the coefficient into the A matrix. So using these two equations, we can get the state equation. So this is x1 and x2, it's not dot. So x1 and x1 dot is equal to 0. So 0, x1 is absent in this equation. So 0 and 1 upon C into x2. Then for x2 dot is equal to minus 1 upon L for x1 coefficient and minus R1 upon L for the x2 coefficient. Now u is present for the x2, so it will be the 0 upon 1 upon L into u. Now for the y, in the circuit, y is represented by the voltage across the capacitor. So and voltage is represented by the x1. So the 1, 0, x1 and x2. So in this way, we have to find out the x1 dot and x2 dot and the all state variable derivative using the differential equation, and then we have to just arrange that equation into the matrix format. So as per the multiplication. So in this way, we can find out the state equation for the electrical circuit. As the circuit vary, you have to just find out the, apply the KVL or the KCL, get the equation and convert it into the state variable. So we can get the state model in terms of the state equation and the output equation. So hope you understand how to convert the electrical circuit into the state model. Thank you.